Today, this video is specially preparing for the pharmacy students, those who are going to Canada. Especially pharmacy students, those who are planning to go to Canada. In order to get a successful career in Canada, you must have to become a pharmacist. If you are not going to be a pharmacist in Canada, your career is not going to achieve at the optimum level. So especially we have designed a workshop for those aspiring students who want to be a pharmacist in Canada. This workshop has been scheduled on Tuesday 11th of June 2019 at 10 o'clock. This workshop is going to last from 10 to 3. During this time you are going to get a 1 hour lunch break, but we are going to cover 5 most important elements in this workshop. The first point is orientation about PEBC process. Most of the students I have seen, they have so many doubts about the PEBC exam, like what is the exam structure, what kind of questions they are asking, how to prepare for the exam, what to read, when these exams are scheduled, at what time I have to give the examination, how to prepare for the exam, which books I have to follow, how I have to prepare the notes. So each and every elements are going to be covered under the orientation of PEBC title. That is going to be last for around about 1.5 hours. So after successfully completion of that session, you are going to be totally cleared about how to prepare yourself for the PEBC exam. Then we are going to move to the second session. Its name is Role of Pharmacist in Canada. If you are going to get better understanding about the role of pharmacist in Canada beforehand you start preparing yourself for the examination, that will give you a very good start. You are going to understand how the pharmacist is working, what are the different healthcare settings you are allowed to work, what is your role and responsibilities, what kind of competencies you have to inculcate in yourself, how you have to behave as a pharmacist, what are the different structures of pharmacy. Each and every elements of the pharmacy profession existing in Canada is going to be covered. After that, you will get a lunch break. Then, after post lunch break, we are going to start with tips and techniques you have to use for solving the questions of the examination. We are going to give you a certain mock questions and going to play certain kind of games and brainstorming activities. If you don't know anything about that concept, even though how to think and reach to the right answer. All these kind of activities will give you a broad understanding and that can boost your confidence about the whatever you have learned, how to apply those concepts into the examination, and that significantly increase the chances to pass the exam. And then the last and the most important concept is called how to interlink the subjects and how to learn for the concepts. That means, like for example, if you are going to learn any of the concepts, hypertension, diabetes, any of the concepts you are going to learn, you are not learning only that particular concept. You are merging so many different subjects into the one concept. That means initially you have to start with the anatomy and physiology of that particular disease, then pathology, pharmacology, clinical pharmacy, pharmacy practice, and once you merge all these things, that concept is going to be complete. So I'm going to give you a live example of 1 or 2 concepts. Like for example, if I'm going to cover the diabetes or heart failure, we are going to start from the point 1 to the end. And at the end of the session, you will be complete with that particular concept. How to take the notes. We are normally taking the vertical note taking process, but our brain and neurons are not flowing in a vertical form. They are in a horizontal form. So how to take a critical note taking process is also going to be covered. So friends, this workshop is going to change your life. that can change your perspective about the PEBC exam and that significantly increase the chances to pass the exams. Whatever ideas I'm going to share with you is not the fresh ideas. More than 700 to 800 students, they have applied these concepts and they have passed the exams. So definitely you will get a valuable insights from this workshop. So I'm heartily invite all of you to join and participate in this workshop. This workshop is practically free of cost. We are not going to charge anything from you, but we are strongly requesting to all the students to register yourself for the workshop. Thus the mobile number has been given in this video. You have to send your name and send that SMS. So we are going to register your name. Okay, and the third most important thing is we are strongly requesting and recommending all of you for contributing at least 100 to 200 rupees as a part of donation for the Indian Pharmacy Profession Welfare Fund. We are not going to use that fund for ourselves. We are going to utilize that fund for the pharmacy profession upliftment activities. So if you feel you have to contribute, we are not going to force you anything. We just keep the donation box, and we strongly recommending you have to put the 100 or 200 rupees in that donation box. Again, you must have to register yourself on the given mobile number, send your name and send that SMS. Thank you very much. See you soon and join the workshop. Bye bye.